But God is training you for greatness. He will bring you to the right place. Destiny will locate you and then relocate you to where you should be to become what he wants you to become.
Welcome back to the Moment of Truth and Enlightening class. It's still Tuesday today, 4th February 2025. You heard Mr. Adeboye, always promising, and we are not getting anywhere. Now, another people have joined me in this campaign. You all remember Dele Farotimi, the one they locked up, the one that wrote the book about Nigerians' mess. If you haven't gotten the book, please go and buy one. Very important. They tried to humiliate him. They tried to do all sorts of things, but the whole world stood up for him. That tells you the power we have against all these evil people that think Nigeria belongs to them alone. They own Nigeria. So, Farotimi came back with another bang. He wrote, "Dear Daddy Gio, you heard Buhari stitch the mask that he wore in 2015. Are you going to help undo the damage, or will you just keep doing the prayer work? Where is the wall of Jericho, though? Where is the wall of Jericho, though? At least, when parishioners, they waka, it must be with a goal in mind. You see, 5 years ago, the evil they did 5 years ago is still haunting them today. Because we could see the damage that evil did. The evil they did 5 years ago, we could see the damage today. Even the kids that were not born then, or that they were just born then, they are suffering for the evil this man perpetuated. So, someone comments, because this is online now, it's viral now. Someone just, I've only got one comment. The person wrote, "It's not different from from Nigeria politicians. Have I not been saying it? That's why they cannot kill me. That's why it's good to speak up for the voiceless. Don't be scared. They will throw stones. They will throw tantrums. They will throw a lot of things. But don't be scared. God is on your side. If you truly belong to God." Because all these evil men, they don't have anything to do with Christ. You remember when Jesus was leaving, he told Peter, "Look after my sheep." Look, I say ahead. He said it again. "Peter, look after my sheep." The third time, he said it again. Then Peter was like, I heard you. That tells you how important we, the images of God, are to him. But all these people, they are using the same name that we respect to batter us, to humiliate us, to lie to us, to deceive us, to bankrupt us, to do all sorts of things to us. So, when I saw this, when I see things like this, I bring it. Because majority of these things are on Instagram. I will bring it to educate my people, to let my people know what is going on. One of my person, or that watch my video said, she's planning to join. Please, I encourage you. Just be prayerful. Join. We need more voices. Join. Speak up. It's getting to them. Because in their old age now, they can look back and see that, they've done evil. They've done evil. And I'll be putting what they are saying now. Because they are watching me, They are watching me. They are watching me. I'll be putting their videos there one by one. Because it's not only Adeboye. It's all of them. Everybody copy him. Copy Oyedepo. Everybody copy Kumuyi. I'll be putting their videos there now. Stay tuned, my people, till the end.
19, I don't know what year again, I can't remember. We stopped taking offerings in our WSF meetings. This church is not about offering, it's about growing people in their walk with God. I can't tell you the reasons why we did that, but I had the signal in the spirit that we should do it. So then, the income from this place that time is over $2 million, about $2 million in a year. We stopped it. To create that environment that will get people in without feeling one kind. God is watching the entire system. Please be found up and running.
You heard Oyedepo. I told you they are watching us now. They are watching. They are hearing all our complaints. They are reading the comments. Their mule are taking everything back to them. See the lies he just told them. Is that even possible? He said he can't remember the year. That means it is a lie. It is a lie. Over $2 million in a year. And they stop. They did. It's a lie, yo. Even this, in this hardship, Oyedepo is still collecting money. This just concluded Shiloh. He collected money and he lied that he gave it to orphanage or he gave it to them on the mission field, blah, blah, blah. Now, lie, yo. Why is he collecting with this hardship in Nigeria? Why are they still collecting money? So, our complaint is going to them. And they too are putting out videos to be maybe counter or whatever to let us know that they've done this, but it's all lies. So don't believe them. They are all copycats. They too, they can see their mess. All their trainees, they could see the mess they are doing here and there. And people are screaming, shouting their names. My people, let me close with Adeboye. Please stay.
The Almighty God will answer your prayers. All the rods of your enemies will be consumed by fire. Where there's no way before the sun rises, there'll be a way for you. God will shut the door against your pursuers. They will never catch up with you. Everything that could cause you sorrow, the Almighty God will uproot them. Out of nothing, God will produce something for you. He will give you absolute victory. You will become a blessing. God will use you to perform miracles. Your handkerchiefs will heal the sick. Your dress will raise the dead. You will be a special vessel unto honor in God's sight. In every area where you need help, God will send help to you. This day marks a new beginning for you. The kind of joy that the Bible calls unspeakable God will give to you in abundance. It shall be well with you. You will never forget tonight. The tide will turn for you tonight. So shall it be. In Jesus' mighty name we have prayed.
Well, he prayed the same prayer for Jonathan. Oh, Jonathan was kicked out. Oh, my people, you have to pray for yourself. Nothing will happen because they are praying for you. It's you that will use your mouth. You connect with the Almighty Father and pray for yourself. Stop deceiving yourself. Stop fooling yourself. Look at everywhere. And you pray all those shingon prayer and you give him money. Anyway, I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.